Hello YouTube, this is Lady Lee from ladyleeshome.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make my Israeli salad. This is pretty much the salad that I grew up on, and this is what is served pretty much with every meal. Now take this simple way to make a salad and change the vegetables. You can do cabbage, you can do carrots, you can even add pickles if you want, lettuce, spinach, whatever you want, you know, different kind of peppers, different kind of tomatoes, whatever you want. We don't use a lot of dressings in Israel, and this is just a simple way to put a salad together, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. So I diced everything up already, and we are going to start with the tomatoes. These came from the garden and they're gorgeous. It's the first year that I'm growing them. These tomatoes are called Bronze Torch, and I got the seeds from Johnny's Selected Seeds. And I just diced them. You can dice them small pieces, large pieces, whatever you want. The next thing I'm going to add, well, let's also add these tomatoes. These are also a favorite of mine. They're called Matt's Wild Tomato. They are marble size, and they are a little more sour than these. These are kind of like they're very sweet. So just add some more tomatoes. You can never go wrong with tomatoes, so as many as you want. Next, I'm gonna add peppers. Okay, and these are also came from the garden, and these are the lunchbox peppers. I also purchased these seeds from Johnny's, and you can get colorful ones, you know, yellow and green and orange and red. I grow just the reds because I think they're the sweetest and I love them the most, so I just do reds. Then this cucumber also came from the garden, and this variety is Muncher, which is my favorite variety. They're small, very thin skin, and pretty much no seeds. And they don't go and explode in the garden. Like if you saw a cucumber that is almost ready for picking, you can go ahead and take the kids to the lake and have a fun day swimming at the lake. When you come back, that cucumber is still going to be small. It's not going to explode and be a gigantic thing in 3 hours. So that's another reason that I like them, because honestly, I just love going to the lake. Anyway, red onion also came from the garden. You can do onion. You don't have to do an onion. It's not too spicy, so I do onion. And then I'm gonna leave the basil for later because we're just gonna kind of garnish on the top. So again, you can add carrots, you can add spinach, you can add pickles, you can add whatever you want. That's just a simple way to throw everything into a bowl. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is just take half a lemon and squeeze it, and I kind of do it over my hand so I can catch the seeds. I use the zest of this lemon, that's why it looks a little weird. I really like lemon. I really like lemon juice. Never bottled, just fresh like this. So I think I'm gonna even do the next one, the other half, because I can never do enough lemon. If you like lemon, go for a whole lemon. If you don't like the sourness of a lemon, then do half a lemon. Whatever you want. You can just personalize it. Then the next thing is a little bit of salt, also to taste. So just sprinkle it, and of course you can always add more. You can't take away, so don't do too much. And the last thing is some olive oil, maybe a tablespoon or 2. If you want, you can also add some black pepper. I'll just add a little bit. I don't always add black pepper, but I will this time. And then you just mix it all And that's pretty much it. Now I have basil because this is summer now, and I have basil in the garden. So I'm just gonna I took a few leaves of basil, and I'm just gonna add it at the end like this. I cut it a few minutes ago, so it's starting to change color a little bit, but it's still delicious. That's it, you guys. This goes alongside dinner with whatever it is that I'm eating. You can even add avocado, corn, you know, so many things you can throw in here. And that's it. It's just a simple salad. It's so healthy. No need for all those fatty dressings that take away all the taste of the vegetables. Just, you know, a simple salad that goes with everything.